Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 Fiance visa and specifically recently announced, or enacted, I should say, changes to the guidelines associated with public charge rules. So the current administration in the United States is taking a much harder line with respect to adjudicating whether or not somebody poses a risk of becoming what's called a public charge in the United States. Notably, somebody who's going to go on various types of means-tested benefits in the United States, so-called, for lack of a better term, welfare, if you will. And the ramifications of this, well, we haven't, as of the time of this video, we have yet to actually see, as a practical matter, how this is going to be implemented. We do know that the guidelines they're going to be looking at are hard and fast rules, sort of brass tacks. We're going to be looking at, they're going to want to see higher amounts of income on the part of the sponsor for the application for the K-1 visa. They're also looking more deeply at whether or not the prospective immigrant in question poses a foreseeable chance of becoming a public charge. This creates a little bit more leeway with respect to matters pertaining to adjudication. We're looking at basically some more discretion being added into the mix. Now, as a practical matter, I don't know exactly how these guidelines are going to impact cases that are processing through embassies and consulates outside the U.S. We know that these changes are going to have a dramatic impact upon how petitions are processed in the U.S. So cases where somebody is, for example, converting over from some sort of non-immigrant visa category into an immigrant visa category, there's going to be a different standard of reviewing documentation and evidence pertaining to whether or not that individual will be a public charge. That being stated, how exactly these changes are going to impact folks abroad remains to be seen. We will make further updates on this channel as we deem it appropriate and as quickly as we can, based on evidence, circumstantial evidence in cases and the overall process as it continues into the future, subsequent to these enacted changes to the public charge rules. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.